Ships are absolutely huge, and they are constructed primarily of steel, which requires a lot of welding. In this video, I show an automated welding system that can be transported to a job using a dolly as shown here. This tablet interface has a joystick used to drive the base, and this base has 4 magnetic wheels which allows it to adhere to the dolly surface. I then drive the robot in the proximity of the welding job. Since the robot doesn't know where it currently is, it first does a general scan to localize the robot with respect to the workpiece. This only has an accuracy of a few centimeters, so the robot then does a higher resolution scan along the weld seam areas. This information is then used to fit planes to and other geometric assumptions, which can then be used to estimate the location of the weld seams. This as a result of a weld seam within about 1 millimeter of the desired location. And for these welds, that is sufficient. Here, the robot welding torch is shown approaching the weld seam, which the weld seam is represented as the red dots. For this particular job, a weaving profile is used as the robot moves along the trajectory of the weld. This provides better heat distribution over the weld and allows for better penetration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.